If your WordPress site is running out of memory, showing errors, or struggling with heavy plugins and page builders, then this video is going to help you fix that fast. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the PHP WP memory limit in WordPress using cPanel on Bluehost, and then I'll show you the WordPress site setting you may also need to update so the change actually takes effect. This is one of those fixes that can make a big difference when your site feels slow, breaks during edits, or throws memory-related errors. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it tells me to make more videos like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting section and click it. From there, you'll want to open cPanel. Bluehost makes this pretty straightforward, and cPanel is where we'll adjust the server-side PHP memory limit. After cPanel opens, scroll down until you find the software section. In that area, click on MultiPHP INI Editor. This tool lets you manage PHP settings for your domain, including the memory limit that WordPress can use. If you have multiple sites on the same account, make sure you choose the correct domain from the drop-down before making any changes. Once your domain is selected, switch to or stay in basic mode if that's what appears by default. Now look for the memory limit setting. This is the value that controls how much memory PHP can use on your hosting account. If it's set too low, WordPress plugins, themes, and backend tasks may fail or behave unpredictably. Change the memory limit value to 512 MB. In many cases, this is a safe and effective increase for WordPress sites running on Bluehost. If your site is especially large or uses more advanced tools, this can help reduce memory-related issues significantly. After entering the new value, click Apply to save the change. At this point, your PHP memory limit at the server level has been increased, but we're not quite done yet because WordPress also has its own memory limit setting. Even if your hosting account allows more memory, WordPress may still be capped by its internal configuration. So next, we're going to update wp-config.php to unlock that higher limit. To do that, go back to the main cPanel home screen, then go to the File section and click File Manager. In File Manager, open the public PHP folder or the root folder where your WordPress site is installed. If your site is in a subfolder or a different directory, open the folder that contains your WordPress files. Now find the wp-config.php file. This is a very important WordPress configuration file, so be careful not to change anything else unless you know exactly what you're editing. Right-click wp-config.php and choose Edit. Scroll down toward the bottom of the file until you see this line. That's all. Stop editing. Happy publishing. Directly above that line, you're going to paste a small snippet of code. Add this line, define WP memory limit 256 MB. This tells WordPress to allow more memory usage, which helps match the higher limit you set in cPanel. After you paste it in the correct place, click Save Changes in the top right corner of File Manager. That's extremely important because without saving, the new setting won't be applied. Once that's done, your WordPress memory limit should now be increased. If your site was having trouble loading pages, editing content, using Elementor, updating plugins, or completing background processes, this fix can often resolve those issues. If you still have problems after this, you may need to clear your cache, refresh your dashboard, or confirm that your hosting plan supports the limit you selected. So to quickly recap, you first increased the PHP memory limit inside Bluehost cPanel using MultiPHP INI Editor, and then you updated wp-config.php so WordPress can actually use that additional memory. That combination is usually the best way to handle WordPress memory errors on Bluehost. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more WordPress troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.